Jadi Mbak, takut itu satu nanti.
Welcome to Sirah Kencong. This is actually not my first time to come to this place. This is the tea plantation in my hometown, which is not really far from my place, about 15 to 20 minutes by motorcycle. And this time I went there with my families, my aunties and some cousins and also some nephews. Sirah Kencong Temple was first discovered in the mid-1967. Experiments on restoration were carried out by the East Java Archaeological Agency, but in the process there were many temple stones that were not found. In the end, the restoration could not restore the shape of the temple to its original shape. The condition of the temple's building is incomplete. Only the legs and the body of the temple are left, while the roof is gone.
Mereka lewat. Nyawang ngarep. Kaya ndelok nggene ning kira-kira.
Bubuka's story, Gaganga King was carved into the body wall of the temple to the east of the first temple. The base of this temple consists of a lower, middle, and upper frame. The height of the lower frame is 1 meter. The width and the length of each are 3 meters and consist of line seams. Depicting 5 men supporting a dragon snake. On the body wall of the second temple, you can find relief decoration in the form of dragon snake whose head meets in the corner of the body wall. There are also other reliefs. The third temple building is not much different from the first temple, both in the shape of the legs and the body of the temple. On the west wall of the temple, there is an ornament in the form of a relief which tells of 3 giants wearing a coil. The shape characterizes the identity of the Bima character in wayang into decoration.
Aku bawa.
So actually we are at Sirah Kencong at the moment, and this is the old ruin of the temple in here. Too bad there's not much information about it, but I think this temple from the Majapahit era, I guess. So yeah, and now the rain is coming, so we try to hide under that thing. Okay. Behind the 3 figures, a sea view with its wave is depicted. On the south side of the temple wall, there are reliefs depicting 2 people with a sea background. On the eastern wall of the temple, there is a relief with a picture of a priest facing his sanctuary. It is alike that the relief scene depicts Bima facing his teacher, Begawan Durna. Bima is asking where Tirta Amarta is.